Hello, Aradhya, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are doing how I taught my grandmother. Okay. Now, any idea about this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me then. What is
So
this?
in this
Hmm.
chapter,
Yeah.
this chapter is written by Sudha Murthy.
Yes. She's the author.
So yeah. So in this chapter, the Sudha Murthy is a child,
Yes.
like a girl
Right.
who knows how to read.
Yes. So she's
Like at
educated.
that time, yeah, she's educated. So at that time, the elders, the adults were not as much as educated as as the children. So they used to take help from the children to read a newspaper or a magazine. So
Yes.
at that time, when Sudha Murthy was a child, at that time the transport system was not as good as it's now.
Hmm.
So when she was about 12, so she used to get a magazine which was in Ka- like which was written in Kannada, the
Yes.
language of Karnataka.
Yes.
And so she used to
Because
read that for her grandmother because she couldn't read.
read out.
She,
Yes.
yeah, she used to read out it for her grandmother. It
Yes.
was the Triveni, like it was written by Triveni. She was a very popular writer in Karnataka language, in
Yes.
Kannada language.
Yes. Let's look
So
at this introduction. Yes, what you are saying is right. So, brief introduction you've already given me. Now, when I was a girl of about 12, I used to stay in a village in North Karnataka and with my grandparents. So, who is I here?
Sudha Murthy.
Sudha Murthy. Okay. So, she used to live in village of Karnataka. North Karnataka with her grandparents. Those days the transport system was not very good, so we used to get the morning paper only in the afternoon. So basically what they're saying कि आजकल तो सब कुछ है, we have proper transportation communication system. Then at that time there was nothing. So the morning paper used to reach them in afternoon, not in morning. Right? The weekly magazine used to come one day late. So everything used to take time because of lack of transportation, good transportation system. All of us would wait eagerly for the bus, which used to come with papers, weekly magazines, and the post. Okay, so this is the type of scenario we are talking about. At that time, Triveni was a very popular writer in Kannada language. Okay, focus on the spelling Kannada. She was a wonderful writer. Her style was easy to read and very convincing. Convincing मतलब लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता था उसकी writings पढ़कर. Her stories usually dealt with complex psychological problems in the lives of ordinary people and were always very interesting. So basically, Triveni used to talk about people. She used to write about people, their like ordinary people, their day-to-day lives. Why do you think this like was popular among people? Like Triveni was popular among people. Why do you think?
Because it it gave it wrote the stories that help the people understand the psychological problems in the citizen nowadays.
Yes.
So it was like a popular, just like newspapers and magazines at this time.
Hmm.
It was just like that. Like at this age, we read novels. We read, like, for example, we read the magazines. At that time, the things that we like the novels we read right now was
Hmm.
at that time was written by Triveni.
By Triveni. Yes. Triveni was a writer. Okay. And she used to write about the psychological problems in the lives of ordinary people. And this was something very special because people could relate to her writings. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कोई किसी चीज से अगर हम रिलेट कर पाए तो हमें वो चीज इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है सो दिस वॉज द मैटर विथ त्रिवेणी ओके आराध्या एनी
Yes.
डिस्टर्बेंसेस इन रूम
No, no. I was just checking the AC.
okay unfortunately the kannada literature please start reading here
Yeah. Should I read aloud or read like in the mic?
aloud
So, Unfortunately for literature, she died very young.
Hmm.
Even now, after 40 years, people continue to appreciate her novels.
Appreciate her
One of
novels.
her novel, one of her novels called Kashi Yatre was appearing as a serial in the Kannada weekly Karma Veera then.
Hmm.
It is the story of an old lady and her ardent desire to go to Kashi or Varanasi. Most Hindus believe that going to Kashi and worshipping Lord Vishwara is the ultimate punya. This old lady also believed in this, and her struggle to go there was described in that novel. In the story, there was also a young orphan girl who falls in love, but there was no money for the wedding.
Hmm.
In the end, the old lady gives away all her savings without going to Kashi. She
Yes.
says the happiness of this orphan girl is more important than worshipping Lord Vishveshwara at Kashi.
Yes.
Grandmother Krishtaka never went to school so she could not read. Every Wednesday the magazine would come and I would read the next episode of the story to her. During
Okay.
that time, we
Now
would
wait.
forget.
Now wait. Now let's discuss this page. One of her novels, Kashi Yatre. Who was the author of this novel?
Kashi, Triveni.
Please underline this. This name is important. This was one of her very renowned novels. Okay. And this novel was coming in the form of serial in Kannada Weekly. वीकली मतलब आपको पता है ना, पहले के टाइम में ऐसे डेली डेली सीरियल नहीं आते थे. दे यूज टू बी वेरी अनकॉमन. Like they used to, there were serials on weekends only, like Saturdays and Sundays only. So people used to get excited to watch their favorite shows or films. Okay. सो अब ये जो काशी यात्रा नॉवल थी वो एक सीरियल के फॉर्म में आती थी. करम वीर. ओके. वीकली आता था ये. एंड नाउ यू टेल मी व्हाट वाज दिस नॉवल अबाउट. देव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड.
Yeah, so in this novel, it was mainly about a old lady who had a wish who had a desire to go to
आर्डेंट
Kashi or
डिजायर मतलब क्या
Varanasi,
होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ आर्डेंट डिजायर?
like a keen desire.
कीन डिजायर. समथिंग वी वांट वेरी बैडली. ओके.
Yeah. So she had a desire to go to Kashi and or Varanasi because at that time, going to Kashi and worshipping the Lord Vishveshwara was
विश्वेश्वरा.
a very big, like it was
मतलब
the ultimate punya.
पुण्य. यस. एंड पुराने लोग क्या, मतलब ओल्ड पीपल, दे आर वेरी फैसिनेटेड अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. सो व्हाट दे यूज टू डू, दे यूज टू लिसन टू दीज स्टोरीज एंड दे ऑल्सो गॉट दिस फैसिनेशन कि अगर हम लोग भी पूजा कर लेंगे या हम ये वर्शिप कर लेंगे, सो वी विल बी गेटिंग पुण्य. हमें पुण्य लगेगा. ठीक है. So
Yeah.
this old lady also believed in this, and also her struggle to go there was described in that novel. So this was the novel about. In the story, there it was a young orphan girl who falls in love, but there was no money for the wedding. In the end, the old lady gives away all her savings without going to Kashi. क्या मतलब हुआ
Yeah.
इसका?
So, being like an old lady, she
Hmm.
had only one desire, like her last wish to go to Kashi.
Yes.
But when she found an orphan girl who falls
Yes.
in love but doesn't have money to get married.
Yes.
So, just for the happiness of that poor young orphan girl, she gives all her money that she saved to go to Kashi to that girl so that she can get married and be happy for her whole
Yes.
life.
Yes. So
So
basically,
she just said that the happiness of this orphan girl was more important than
worshipping.
worshipping Lord Vishweshwara.
Because see, helping is also a form of worship. Okay, what do you think God God expects out of us? So God expects that you do good deeds. So that is a form of worship. So this is what she is saying. This is what the author is saying, that this lady, she gave away all her wealth to get that girl married, and this, according to her, was an act of kindness, an act which is no less than worshipping Lord Vishweshwara. Okay? My grandmother Krishataka. Now we are coming back to the story, present story. My grandmother Krishataka never went to school, so she was not educated. Every Wednesday the magazine would come and I would read out the next episode of the story to her. Why do you think she used to read out the next episode to her?
Because her grandmother couldn't read because she never went to school.
And
So everyone, like, and Sudha Murthy, being a child, was very educated because
yes,
at that time it wasn't necessary for an adult to be like an adult to be uh like intelligent on how to know how to read, because
read.
at that time people didn't
Literate.
have
You can
much
write
time.
literate. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And also because of her interest in that zone. Okay, because she was interested about God, worship, and all those things. During that time, she would forget all her work and listen with the greatest concentration. Now, these things are very important. The minutest details that are given in the chapter, you have to learn them. So keep underlining them. Reason being, in the answers, you are going to write these things as a character sketch of grandmother. That whenever she used to read out the her granddaughter used to read out the next episode to her every Wednesday, she used to leave everything. So this is also one of the characteristic traits of grandmother कि वो हर चीज छोड़कर अपने like she used to remember everything by heart and with full concentration. So she was very keen on learning. My grandmother too never went to Kashi, and she identified herself with the novel's protagonist. Very important line. Please underline. Protagonist, I have told you a lot of times. What does it mean, Aradhya?
Protagonist is the story writer who is just telling us. No, she's imagining herself to the story's old lady.
Mhm. Protagonist means main character of the story.
Yeah. Okay.
ठीक है? Write it down and now you will remember this.
Okay.
Protagonist is the main character in the story. And usually it is one, but it can be more than one also. But here we will say that protagonist is the grandmother.
Okay.
Because the entire story revolves around her. Right? So, more than anybody else, she was the one most interested in knowing what happened next in the story and used to insist that I read the serial out to her. So, she was very persuasive. Okay, and she used to tell her granddaughter to read out the series to her. After hearing what happened next in Kashi Yatre, she would now join her friends at the temple courtyard where we children would also gather to play hide and seek. जैसे एक time होते ना, see, look at the picture. So all the grandmothers used to gather. So grandmother used to go out and discuss the story with the friends, and also the girl, also Sudha Murthy, also used to play with her friends. Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading. She would discuss. Now, just remember one thing, Aradhya. We have discussed the whereabouts of the story and the characters. So you need to remember this thing that protagonist is the grandmother. What her desires were, what kind of woman she was, that is all discussed in the story. So one thing that you need to know is that the girl is playing an instrumental role in grandmother's life. So
Yeah.
this will also form a very important question in this chapter. So as I
Okay.
have told you a lot of times, whatever questions we are discussing in class, just keep writing them either in your book with a pencil or in your tuition register, because sometimes what might happen, I might not get the same question in my mind again. So it's your duty to note down the important questions. Okay? Or basically the focus areas of the chapter. So right now I have told you that you should know about the character sketch of grandma, who's the protagonist, and then you should know the instrumental role being played by granddaughter, sorry. Okay, start reading.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I'm just, yeah. She would discuss the latest episode with her friends at that time. I never understood why there was so much of debate about the story. Once I went for a wedding with my cousins to the neighboring village. In those days, a wedding was a great event. We children enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. We would eat and play endlessly, savoring the freedom because all the elders were busy. I
Hmm.
went for a couple of days but ended up staying there for a week. When I came back to my village, I saw my grandmother in tears. I was surprised, for I had never seen her cry, even in the most difficult situations. What
Yes.
had happened? I was worried. Ava, is everything all right? Are
Avva.
you
She used to
okay?
call her Avva.
Yeah, I used to call her Ava, which means mother in the Kannada spoken in North Karnataka. She nodded but did not reply. I did not understand and forget about it. In the night after dinner, we were sleeping in the open terrace of our house. It was a summer night and there was a full moon. Ava came. and sat next to me. Her affectionate hands touched my forehead. I realized she wanted to speak. I
Hmm.
asked her, "What is the matter?"
So there was something uncommon in Avva that she noticed because she was out for a wedding and she enjoyed a lot. Savoring means enjoyed the freedom with her friends. So she went to a neighboring village with her cousins and she enjoyed the wedding. And when she came back, she found her Avva in tears. And now she wanted to unravel that why it was so. Okay. So she's asking her, what is the matter? And just note, Aradhya, that there is one line that she was surprised to see Avva in tears. Why?
Because she never saw her in tears, even in the hardest pain.
Yes, so
Like,
this is
even
the
in the.
character sketch of grandmother. This also you should write in her character sketch that she was a very strong woman. And एक धार्मिक lady को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? Pious. Pious. Okay? Pious. She was a pious lady. Pious. And this characteristic also you should note down, okay? That she was a strong woman. When I was a young girl, I lost my mother. Now, this story is being narrated by grandmother. Now, you will read this.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So, when I was a young girl, I lost my mother. There was nobody to look after and guide me. My
Hmm.
father was a busy man and got married again.
Hmm.
In those days, people never considered education essential for girls. So
Yes.
I never went to school. I got married very young and had children. I became very busy. Later, I had grandchildren and always felt so much happiness in cooking and feeding all of you. At times, I used to regret not going to school, so I made sure that my children and grandchildren studied well.
Very important. Now, you will explain me this paragraph. This is told by
So,
this paragraph.
grandmother,
Yes.
so she's telling that when she was a young girl, she lost her mother. Like when she was a ch- when she was just like Sudha Murthy. She when she was a young
Yes.
girl, her mother died,
Hmm.
and there was nobody to look after or guide her. So his father was a busy man, so he got married again. So at that time, it was not essential for a girl to be educated,
Yes. Because
and so
education was
that
not
is
meant
why
for
she never went
girls.
to school. Yeah,
Yeah. And she's saying that, now I regret that I couldn't study. But at the same time, I wanted to make sure that my grandchildren and my children studied well.
yeah. So
Okay, part two of the chapter. Let's start. Any doubts still here?
no,
It's a very easy chapter. Okay, let's continue.
I could not understand why my 62 years old grandmother
Was telling
was
me.
telling a 12 years old, the story of her life in the middle of the night.
Hmm.
But I knew I loved her immensely, and there had
Immensely
to be
मतलब
some reason
बहुत
why she
ज्यादा
was
प्यार.
extremely.
Hmm.
And there had to be some reason why she was talking to me. I
Hmm.
looked at her face. It was unhappy, and her eyes were filled with tears. She was a good looking lady who was unusually always smiling. Even
Was
today, I cannot forget
usually.
the worried expression on her. I leaned forward and held her hand. Ava, don't cry. What is the matter? Can I help you in any way? Yes, I need your help. You would know when you were away. Karma Veera came as usual. I opened the magazine. I saw the picture that accompanies the story of Kashi Yatre, and I could not understand anything that was written. Many times I rubbed my hands over the page, wishing they could understand what was written, but I knew it was not possible. If only I was educated enough, I waited eagerly for you to return. I
Hmm.
felt you would come early and read for me. I even thought of going to the village and asking you to read for me. I could have asked somebody in this village, but I was too embarrassed to do so. I felt very dependent and helpless. We are well off, but what use in money when I cannot be independent?
Hmm.
I did not know what to answer. Ava continued. I have decided I want to learn the Kannada alphabet from tomorrow onwards. I will
Now
work
this
very
line is
hard.
very
I will
important.
Saraswati Puja play during Dasara.
Rather underline this line is very important. I decided to learn Kannada alphabets from tomorrow onwards. Okay. Now, this shows the determination. Now, first, she was feeling helpless when her granddaughter was away because she was totally dependent upon her granddaughter to read out the words to her. But when she was away for some time during the time of wedding, she realized her helplessness. Okay? And now she says that I wanted to read the letter. So this shows that this is the question that you will get. Age has no bar for learning. There is no age bar for learning. Please write down this question. Or you can also put it as age is just a number. Justify. ये समझ आ रहे हैं?
Yeah.
Age is just a number, or you can write learning has no age bar. Justify in the context of this chapter. Because at the age of 62, she had this yearning to be independent by learning. That is why we say education is very important because it makes you confident. Education is not just about earning money, it's about building your confidence also.
Can you repeat the question again? Age is
Yes.
just a number. Justify. And next?
Age is just a number.
Justify. And what is the second one?
Second, there is no age bar for learning or for education.
Learning doesn't need
It can come anyway. There is no age bar for learning.
Okay.
I want to be independent. So she was asserting on this. Okay, she wanted to be independent. Okay, please read. Aradhya, I saw the determination on her face.
I saw the determination on her face, yet I laughed at her. Ava, at this age of 62, you want to learn the alphabets? All your hair is grey. Your hands are wrinkled. You wear spectacles and you work so much in the kitchen.
Hmm.
Childishly, I made fun of the old lady, but she just smiled.
Hmm.
For a good cause, if you're determined, you can overcome
Determined. It's not determined, Aradhya. Determined. Okay?
Determined, you can overcome any obstacle. I will work harder than anybody, but I will do it. For learning, there is no age bar. The next day onwards, I started my tuition. Ava was a wonderful student. The amount of homework she did was amazing. She
Hmm.
would read, repeat, write, and recite. I was her only teacher, and she was my first student.
Underline this
Little
line.
did I know.
Very important line. The lines that I am making you underline, they can come as in the form of questions also. Now, Radhya, now you are in ninth class. I want you to know that you will be getting contextual questions also in the form of passage. Like you will be given a passage and you can, be given some questions out of that passage. And the lines that I'm giving you, these can come as long questions. That they will just give you this line and they will say justify or elucidate. Elucidate मतलब क्या होता है कि बताओ, explain करो. Yes. Little did I know.
Little did I know then that one day I would become a teacher in computer science and teach hundreds of students. The Dasara festival came as usual. Secretly, I bought Kashi Yatre, which had been published as a novel by that time. My grandmother called me to the puja place and made me sit down on a stool. She gave me a gift of frock material. Then she did something unusual. She bent down and touched my feet. I
Yes.
was surprised and taken
Now,
aback.
Aradhya, this page also is very important. So just mark these like she bent down and touched my feet. These emotions are very important. You will get to know why she touched her feet. Okay. She was taken aback. Taken aback मतलब shock हो गई वो एकदम से, surprised.
Yeah, elders will touch the feet of youngsters. Never touch the feet of youngsters. We have always touched the feet of God, elders, and teachers. We
Yes.
consider that as a mark of respect. It is a great tradition, but today the reserve had happened. It was not correct.
Hmm.
She said, I'm touching the feet of a teacher, not my granddaughter. A teacher who taught me so well with so much of affection that I can read now any novel confidently.
Yes. So you got like what she's explaining now.
Yeah.
Why do you think grandmother touched the feet of her granddaughter?
Because she was her teacher. Not as a granddaughter, but as a teacher, she just touched her feet.
Yes.
Yeah. So now I am independent. It is my duty to respect a teacher. Is it not written in our scriptures that a teacher should be respected irrespective of the gender and age? I did return her namaskara to her by touching her feet and gave my gift to my first student. She opened it and read immediately. The title Kashi Yatre by Triveni and the publisher's name. I knew then that my student had passed with flying colors.
Yes. Now, last line, please underline. This can also come as a long question.
Yeah.
You know who is the student here? Grandmother was the teacher. Sorry, student. Now, one more thing, like if I had to give you one question and if I ask you that what is the irony in this chapter?
What is the irony?
Irony, I have told you a lot of times, contradictory situations. Like very simple example that I always give that I want to buy a very expensive dress, but I don't have money. Okay? So that is the irony of my life that I want to buy a very expensive dress, but I don't have money. So irony मतलब आप चाहते कुछ हो करते कुछ हो. Basically, your situations are not supporting you. So what do you think? Like, what could be the irony here
Where?
in the chapter?
So the irony in this chapter was that the lady had all the that the grandmother or the old lady had
Uh,
the
sorry.
determination to learn,
Hmm.
and her granddaughter had the power or the will that she can make her grandmother learn the alphabets of Kannada. So
Yes.
it's basically that the roles were reversed.
Hmm.
The elder was a student and the child was the teacher.
Yes. Just a minute. Hello, Aradhya? Yes. Any problem? Anything you want to ask from the chapter? Now revise this chapter at home and just join the Google Meet link because after 40 minutes the meeting will end. So I'm just sharing the Google Meet link, okay?
Okay. Should I leave and join?
It will end, so yeah, you can leave. No problem.